No clue what that was. Is that just forest? Looks like it. Either way, I think I'm going to use one of the bulb thingies to get to it. So I'm going to travel more, just to get somewhere it'll take me a couple seconds to get to. Yay! That bulb doesn't take me where I want. Maybe one of these bulbs. Ah! Well, this does not work. Alright, let's go. Let's jump in here. Whee! Whoa! I'm in Upside Down World! This is beastly! Whew. Hey, look! It's a warp balloon thing. Uh-oh, this looks like the basketball galaxy. Whoa. Okay, now that's over with. Maybe this balloon will take me to where I want to go. Yay! So this is where it takes us. Let's go on. Hey, check this out. Someone made a poorly made ladder. Let's go. Whoa. Look at all the ropes. Well, either way, let's go. Let's try and make this quick because it's creepy in here. And I'm always hearing footsteps. That aren't mine. Just so you people know, these are not my feet steps. The ones I'm hearing, anyways. Doesn't look like there's much here. Well then, let's explore on. I'm feeling kind of happy today, so I'm going to take a cool picture with that. Well, that was fun. Anyways, on to the adventure of what I have no clue. Man, should have given me more detailed directions. I mean, there's nothing here. Maybe I have to do something here. Go somewhere. Hey, what's that? Oh, it's over here. Sorry, I lost track of myself. Let's try this way. Hey, look at this. What's that? Strange markings on the tree. Kind of creepy. Oh, there's like a fresh mark there. The flip. Hey, look at that. Oh, that's not good. Yeah. That's not good either. freaking 2 eyes. One natural, one completely unnatural. What do you think that... I wonder what that eye means. Ugh. Hey, look at this. Ow! Oh look, this tree's rotting away from the inside. Well, see, what am I supposed to be doing? Maybe those markings meant something. So, 2 eyes, a body, and those scratch marks, and that tree-looking thing. Let's go review them again. I really wish I could find something to do here. Whoa. Check out that hole. That kind of looks good enough. Ah!